Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about a fantastic and famous Colombian park called Gorgona Island. The Gorgona Island is the largest island for in the country on the Pacific, with 44 square kilometers, and it is famous for its prison housed in 2 decades. It was discovered by Bartolome Ruiz in 1526, and its initial name was San Felipe, but it was changed by Francisco Pizarro due to the large number of snakes on the remind him of the Gorgons of Greek mythology, who stake heads and or hair snake of their heads.
Hi, located in the municipality of Guapi in the department of Cauca, Gorgona is the 35 kilometers from the Colombian Pacific coast. Together with Malpelo Island, they are the only Colombian island in the Pacific Ocean. The relief of Gorgona is mountain is heights. Points is Trinity Hill, the highest mountain on the island on the eastern side. Diri are with Sin Beach with the present of course while on the western side Diri are /BTC. Do the south of Gorgona Island is another much smaller island, Calle Gorgonit Island, and to the north is the Open Rock Islet.
Flora that grows in the Tyrant National Park is divided into different ecosystems: tropical rainforest and tropical wet forest. The ecosystem produces mountain to thick vegetation to great climate, spruce trees, many species of egg and coral, some as can be found in the Tyrant Marine Lake, while the territorial flora has more than 770 different species of plants. Some of the species are orange tree, cuckoos, palms, mango tree, and orchid.
Gorgona has numerous species of animals, being a living paradise. 85% of the island is covered by tecumen jungle, inhabited by white-winged monkeys, three-toed soul birds, the blue lizard, the semi-spiny rat, and birds such as the anteater and the blue honeycreeper, among others. It's also an important point for the dispersion of marine species, mainly crustaceans and mollusks, in addition to the meeting and birth of humpback or humpback whales. Besides, its water are frequented by dolphin porpoise, sperm whales, fin sharks, among others.
In Gorgona Island, there are multiple activities that you can do. So you might start by hiking on the island 3 trails: La Chonta, which leads to the hydroelectrical plant, and the interactive center, PAM, and lastly Playa Palmeras, the longest of the trip and involving a 2 hours walk. After taking a hike, a good idea is to trip around the island and try to see the dolphins jumping over the waves. You will be able to see marine species and colorful colors. Diving or snorkeling will be or could be your next activity on the schedule. As well, the best places for this are Yodigua, El Planchón, or Parguera, to name a few.
Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about the jail located off the coast of the southwest Colombia. Gorgona is on the list on the sinister prison like Alcatraz in the United States or Robert Island in South Africa. In these 26 square kilometers of jungle of volcanoes, a lawless prison existed until 1984, in which its guards tortured prisoners with impunity. Also threatened by poisonous snake and victim of hunger, disease and violence from other inmates. All that remained of the prison are the walls devoured by the jungle and the humidity. Some tourists come to dive or enjoy what is now the Gorgona National Park, which can only be accessed by boat from the Guapi municipality through the choppy water on the Pacific.